Good day, everyone. We are Group 4 and I am RG Buboli and these are my group mates, Rafael Bustamante and John Michael Candilanza. This video we presented is about the Rizal Grand Tour in Europe with Viola in 1887. In May 1887, Jose Rizal and his friend Maximo Viola embarked on a historic journey across Europe, fresh from the publication of Noli Me Tangere. Rizal sought to explore new ideas, culture, and meet influential figures who could support his mission for Philippine reform. Their travel would take them Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Italy, broadening their perspective and strengthening their cause. Germany was a pivotal stop for Rizal. In Heidelberg, he refined his skill in ophthalmology under the renowned Dr. Otto Becker. He was captivated by the country's scientific advancement and discipline, believing such progress could one day uplift the Philippines. Inspired by the beauty of the Neckar River, Rizal penned a Las Flores de Heidelberg, a poem expressing his deep longing for his homeland. In Austria, Rizal met Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt, his longtime pen pal and one of his greatest supporters. The two men shared profound admiration for history, culture, and Filipino identity. Blumentritt encouraged Rizal to persist in his advocacy for reforms and later helped spread Rizal writings across Europe. Their friendship symbolized the global solidarity behind the Filipino cause. Switzerland, breathtaking landscape and strong democratic principle amazed Rizal. The country's commitment to neutrality and education inspired him to dream of a better government for the Philippines. In Italy, Rizal and Viola marveled at the ancient ruins of Rome and the magnificent Sistine Chapel. Visiting the Vatican, Rizal reflected on the Catholic Church influence in the Philippines both as a source of faith and oppression. Their journey led them to Vienna, the cultural heart of Europe. There they impressed themselves in music, theater, and the city grandeur. But their adventure was drawing to a close. Viola, who had generously funded much for their travels, needed return home. Rizal, however, was preparing for his next steps, knowing his fights for Filipino rights had only begun. As Rizal set sail, he carried with him more than just memories. He just carried knowledge, experiences, and renewed determination to free his people from oppression. His Europe journey reinforced his beliefs that education and unity were key to the Philippines' progress. The world had opened his eyes, and he was ready to open the eyes of his fellow Filipinos. Good day.